By'obosagani obukebago n'ekiburaburu kiagendere comment kanemense nigo waziri wa wizara y'Oborendi bwime Kipchumba MURKOMEN ayene kiribuna nige serikali yagendera tekobeka omukya erikwene kibuna ngokiania ere ebikore ebyo gukora kurwase ebunge ya county ya Trans Nzoia mu basorero nigaruro kubore gokyase baria bagutumekwa koreta kiburaburu na guikerania obosagani n'obukebago imeyense ekyokia irera abantu gusiria obugima na gusalie nibo koba maiso na gwetanga kurwase ebikoro binga bunebyo MURKOMEN nigo abwatanirire ABASIASA koba busyo ase OGOSEGETA amangana angabunayo.
The government remains resolute in its commitment protecting Kenyans. We shall intensify these operations and ensure that the criminal menace is decisively eradicated, not only in the region, but across the entire country. Let me assure the people of Trans Nzoia and all Kenyans that we will not relent until we are safe from goons, from gangs, we secure the country, and we free you from criminal intimidation. I know there is a conversation that is going on in the country about goons and gangs. Mr. Speaker, part of the challenges we face in the security sector is that a number of these goons and gangs, when they are arrested and presented before court, sometimes they are released in very lenient bail terms. And sometimes, because of these challenges, they become emboldened and they continue performing the acts they do. Last year, we faced one of the worst demonstrations in the country, June 25th, where criminal gangs and goons were actually mobilized and brought to the streets and caused havoc. They burned police stations, they burned courts, they looted people's businesses, they stole guns, they stoned police officers and attacked innocent civilians. Mr. Speaker, when we arrested over 3,000 goons and gangs, and whom we presented before court. Unfortunately, most of them were released in lenient terms. Their financials, including politicians, were presented in court, in Kahawa courts, for unleashing terror and presented with charges of terrorism. The same political leaders who are now crying loud about goons and gangs were the first ones to go to court for those people to be freed. I want to tell you, Mr. Speaker, that we will be ruthless when it comes to goons and gangs. The plan that we have put in place in the next few days will give assurance to as many Kenyans in every part of Kenya. And I am not pointing finger to any political side, because security does not choose the political side. We will deal with goons and gangs regardless of the political affiliations of the politicians, and the leaders and the business people who are financing them will be dealt with ruthlessly. Mr. Speaker, I hear from the public a number of times saying that the Minister of Interior must become as ruthless as the former Minister of Security, Honorable John Michuki. But people need to appreciate that if we were to be as ruthless as the days of Honorable John Michuki, a number of these constitutional provisions will have to be violated for us to be that ruthless.